All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 31,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, got backup camera, great vinyl seating, super nice. And best of all, middle one there with the rubber body. Front bumper looks pretty good. This seems to have some little dent there, as you can see it there, and then another one there in that corner. Here in the fender, there's a dent. I mean, on the hood, there's a dent right here, about 2 inches. About an inch, actually. Pretty much it. This fender looks okay. Does have some scuffing there. It's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread here is under 2/32. This door looks okay. This quarter looks pretty good. I do see some scratches. They've been touched up. Very light. A dent here. That's about it. Got a dent here from here to here. Well, you can see it right there. All right. Well, a couple of little dings there. That's about it. Here's your front. Your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire thread is around 430, under 4/32. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. So you can see very nice. Only has a tear here about three inches right there. All right. Keeping it moving. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Pow. Camera focuses. Boom. That's what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Need some gas. I'll put some in there for you. And your mileage of 31,023. Turn on the lights. AC is working. Nice. All right, coming around, rear bumper, just have a dent here, another one over here on this side. Looks like they almost hit like a pole or something. Got some couple of things here, just see it. All right, the rest of it looks pretty decent. This door does have a dent right here, as you can see it. Well, another couple of things there. Oops. All right, and this is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Got your wheel wells. They look good. They don't look too beat up. This panel looks good. Looks good. How about this door and this panel? That looks good. Let me get my ladder close. Now let's see a dent up there. Boom. We're gonna check out the entire roof. Thank you. Check out this roof. All right. Actually, the roof looks pretty good. It looks like in the front of it has some things. Here we look good. And here on the side, they have like a creased dent that way. And then, of course, the dent here. Let's check this out. This looks good. This quarter here that's damaged. All right. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. And your tire thread. Under 4/32 on this door. As you can see, we have some dings and some dents like that. Go up here, I'll show you the dent that I'm talking about here. Boom, there it is. Let me back it up a little bit. Boom. And there it is. All right. All right, so it's got a dent on this side. They must have just made it. And then boom, didn't make it. A miss is a mile. All right, door opens up, smooth. I don't see any problems here. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. I just want to say this door needs body work, as you can see. Okay. Couple of dents here, one here, one here, one there, and that's it. 3. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. The hole compared to the ribs looks good. Heavy scratch here, and that's about it. Here's your front passenger steel wheel and your tire there. On this one, seems like they changed this one tire over 730 seconds. All right, folks, that completes our tour. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 31,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.